If this video helps you out in any way, don't forget to like, subscribe for more videos for your R51 Pathfinder. Thank you guys.
Parking surveillance video available. Please view it in gallery.
Alright guys, so I'm having an issue with my R51 2008 Nissan Pathfinder. It's got a V6 4-liter engine. So after I gassed up yesterday and I was driving down the highway and going up a slight hill, and it was bogging, and I quickly pushed the throttle gas, you know, to normalize it, and it drove okay until when I stopped at a grocery store going home in the parking lot. It died on me. So I pressed the gas while starting. It was very difficult to start, and it started right back up. And then again on the way home on the street at a stop, it was just on idle. On the stop, dies. And then again try to start it. First time it didn't start. Second time around, press the gas pedal, started right back up. And then all the lights came on. VDC, ABS, engine light came on. So upon checking with my scanner, I got a code P0340 stating that the bank 1, which is this side, this is bank 1, this is bank 2, guys. Alright, so it's stating that the camshaft position sensor is faulty. So I'm gonna show you guys where that bad boy is. That one, it's soaked in oil. That's the one, that connector right there. So I'm gonna clean that up and I'm gonna replace the sensor. Also, upon starting it this morning so I can move it outside, because it's a beautiful day outside, beautiful day to work outside, so it didn't want to start. 3 times it didn't want to start. It cranks for just like one seconds and then just shut off for 3 times. So then I went ahead and pressed the gas pedal and tried again a couple of times. It started right back up. So right, sometimes the engine light doesn't come on, the check engine light. So you're gonna have to try it a million times until you see the engine light on, and then you'll know what the problem is. Alright guys. Alright guys, so disconnect that connectors in the coolant passage. This harness, unclip it from this metal bracket, and so is this that white connector. I just bent it, so disconnected the connector, same in. So this connector, that connector, this one, so that's disconnected, and for some reason I can't remove it from the bracket, so I just bent it like that. Doesn't matter, right? It's all good. Now be very careful when you're moving around here not to touch that as much as you can, otherwise you're gonna break it if they're really brittle. Alright, so basically I have a feel, I know where I'm gonna put my socket and my 10 mil. That connector is very difficult to remove at this time, so I'm gonna go ahead and remove the 10 mil bolt Superman style with my two hands, quarter inch ratchet and 10 mil socket. I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. Here's the bolt. There it is. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and disconnect that. Okay, got it out, guys. It's soaked in oil. I'll show you guys. That's not a good sign here. There. That thing is soaked in oil. It's not a good thing. So I'm gonna clean the the harness side before I connect it to the new one. So let that thing drain like that. Meanwhile, I'm gonna clean up the surface. Can't really see what's going on here, guys, so you just gotta feel it. And if you have a mirror, right there, nice and clean. All right, new one going in. So this is what's going in. This is the new one. CPS 008 Hitachi. There you go. Let me just go compare it. It's the right one. Alright, this is the old one. This is the new one. Alright, flip it the other way. Same thing. It's got this. It's got this. Perfect. Alright, so it's going in. Alright. So basically, yeah, you'll have to do a Superman here. So lie down on top here, one hand here, one hand on the other side, and that way you could, you know, for me it's easier that way. All right, I don't know how you guys do it, but that's how I did it. Anyway, the installation's reverse procedure. The new one already comes with gasket, so I'm gonna put a silicone here, or some grease, so it'll go in easily before I install it. And just plug everything in, plug all the connectors that you disconnected, and basically just put everything back to where it was before. Alright guys, so if you like this content, if this video helps you out in any way, don't forget to like, subscribe for more videos for your R51 Pathfinder. Thank you guys.